This is a zodiac sign Aries for the month of July. Reading for the zodiac sign Aries for the month of July. It's too much. Aries. I feel like in the past you were not surrendering to the divine. You did not see things very clearly. Some situation that, or maybe you did not want to commit to a situation. That's what I feel. You were running away from a situation that needed commitment, and you were happy in that. Actually, you were quite fulfilled by doing that. You were actually, I feel like you were living a very carefree life in the past, and you had your 9 of Cups there. This person looks very content with what they have, what he has. So I feel like whatever it was, you did not see things for clear. You did not go within. You did not work on yourself. You did not surrender to the divine. And you were giving into addictions. Yeah. You thought this is your wish fulfillment. This is what you want. I don't want to commit. I don't want to live the normal life. I didn't want to live the conventional life that everybody is living. And I'm fulfilled with my whatever the addictions you were giving into. Maybe you were codependent on somebody. Sex addictions, drug addictions. And you refused to work on those things as well in the past. Because of that, you missed some opportunity with some important person in your life. You had 2 of Cups in your hand. You had 2 of Cups, but you did not accept that offer because you were so much in your head about your own wish fulfillment there with the addictions, with the devil here. You did not want to give in to this situation because you knew that if you were to choose this 2 of Cups upright, you have to get rid of these devil energies. Maybe you had bad influential friends. I don't know. It could be anything. Mostly I feel like it was a very passionate connection that you were connected to, that you didn't want to let go. Sex must have been good there. Something says that there was a codependency on that, and you refused to accept this offer from this person who were offering you true love, commitment, 2 of Cups, equal give and take. You were very selfish back then. I'm sorry, but that's what I see here. And you did not want to heal the situation. But now I see you're wanting to move to calmer waters. Please clarify this. Please clarify this. 6 of Swords in reverse. Clarify the 6. Queen of Pentacles, yeah. Now you're focused on money. If you're male watching this, you must be in a feminine energy now. You're focused on yourself. Now you're realizing that what you did was wrong. And you should put in effort to yourself. You should work on yourself, your money, your abundance. Because in the past, I feel like you've been giving to someone very much, and you did not receive anything in return. Without receiving anything, you were giving so much to a situation that was keeping you addicted, stuck, codependent, and finally you're seeing the truth. And you want to be in this energy now. Very loving, caring, soft-hearted. Maybe you were in very cold energy before, even with this person, whoever was offering you this Page of Pentacles. Yeah, offering you some new beginning. You didn't accept it because you were in this devil energy. Now you want, now you see it, now you see the value of it, and now you want it back. Because now you see that as the wish fulfillment. Now you can be, now you know that that is where your victory lies, you know. Justice in reverse. This situation did not have justice. So it's like the universe is calling upon the justice on this situation. You know, you very well know that this did not end well. Page of Wands. You're running out of passion now. Maybe you're stirring feelings for that person you had in the past. Now you see them as your wish fulfillment, your Nine of Pentacles. Now you are willing to be victorious in that connection. What is this Justice in reverse? What is the Justice in reverse? Yeah. You were sneaky. You wanted to keep everything to yourself. Maybe you had a lot of options back then. And you were keeping everything to yourself. You wanted to have everybody. If you're a guy, you wanted to have a lot of romantic connections or sexual, whatever, connections. If you're a woman, also the same. You wanted to keep your options open. And you felt victorious by manipulating these people. I feel very sneaky smile here. So the justice was not served here. But now, universe is offering you a new beginning, Ace of Wands. A passionate new beginning. Whichever endeavor, whichever path you put to, you choose to put your effort in, either it's career or love or yourself, improvement of yourself, self-development, going within, and probably I feel like either you're somebody who recently went through the dark night of the soul, or you are going through that. That's what I feel from this. And universe is willing to offer you this Ace of Wands, passionate new beginning. But still, it's your choice whether you're going to take it or not, because from this spread I don't feel like you're in a very clear headspace that this is what I want, you know. So you're not so sure about your life, like what you want in your life. That's what I feel from this spread. Maybe you're just starting to bring your shit together, you know. Yeah, you had a lot of options back then. In past, you had a lot of options. Still, maybe you're entertaining a lot of options. You're still looking at many options. Seven of Cups. What do I want? This. It could be in career. It could be in love relationships. In general, you're still contemplating on like whether to choose this path or that path. What am I supposed to do? What am I gonna do? I don't feel like you have decided yet on anything. Nothing is set in stone yet for you. It's not very solid energy I'm feeling from this for the Aries for the month of July. You're still figuring your life out. That's what I feel. But now you know. But it's a good thing. Actually, in the past, you were very controlled by these addictions. Whatever this was, you were controlled by that. You could not free yourself from that. But now you are working on yourself, because now you see your mistakes. When people see their mistakes only, they can correct it. That's good. Now you're seeing that. Now you see that what was wrong in the past, what did I do wrong, what happened to me, and now you're willing to change. But still you're not sure. You're not so sure about that. Which path do I take? What do I want? Do I take this offer? Do I go to a new guy, new person, new girl, new job? Maybe you're moving to some place. Maybe you're thinking of changing the location where you're living. Maybe you're contemplating on that, whether I move there or not, because it's a huge decision in your life. Because if you move to another location, another city, it's a big change for you. You're still thinking about it. Whatever it is, you're thinking, but you want the victory here, you know. With the Six of Wands, you want the victory at the end. You want to be fulfilled, happy. It's like you still don't have any idea what to do, how to get there, you know. Can you more about this Aries for the month of July? Can we move for the future energy? What's the outcome for the month of July for Aries? Knight of Wands and yeah, Three of Wands. Three of Wands, when I say Three of Wands, I always think of a person who's thinking of leaving something behind and moving forward in life. Who's ready to take a journey. Nine of Wands in reverse. Whatever this new beginning you're thinking of taking, you don't want to come with passion, like only passion. You want to add love to this situation now, because maybe in the past you went with passion and it didn't work out that well. So now you're like, no, I want to go right this time. I want to do something correct this time. That's the feeling I'm getting from this. You're thinking about it. You're all set to go on that journey, you know. You're still thinking. You're holding on to that one wand, which is helpful in the journey to give you strength. You're leaving those two wands behind, which is your past and whatever the addictions or the past traumas you had, and you're just taking the knowledge, what you learned from there. You're just taking the experience with you, which will be helpful in your future, and you know that. You're just choosing to take one wand with you, because it'll be a burden to take 3 wands and walk, you know. And you know that now. And you want to bring justice. I mean, whatever the situation, you don't want to go with your passion. I mean, passion is there, but you don't want that to be the... oh yeah, beautiful. You don't want that to be the main focus of it. Ace of Cups. Beautiful. It's beautiful. You're going to have a new beginning, a new love beginning. Love. New romantic beginning. With either this past person or with a new person. Because whatever this is, you're going to make the decision so soon. You're going to go on this journey so soon. You have already made... I can't say you have already made the decision, but you're going to make the decision, and you're going to move. You're going to take necessary steps to move forward, and you're going to have this beautiful beginning once you do that. Ace of Cups. It's beautiful at the end. Ace of Cups. Divine is giving you a love of lifetime. That's what I hear. Romance of lifetime. It's overflowing with love. This cup of overflowing from 5 sides. Yeah, it's like all the abundance you ever wanted. Not only love, prosperity, abundance, everything is coming to you. But first, you should get your head cleared. You should work on yourself. You should go within. That's the most important thing. This is not the time to give to any other person. This is the time to give to yourself. This is the time that you should focus on you. Focus on what you want. Be very clear on what you want. Because if you want a commitment, if you want a committed relationship, true love relationship, then you should take the necessary actions. If you don't want that, if you want a career, good career, you should take necessary actions for that. But whatever it is, this new beginning, you're gonna get it, but it's all up to you. You have to take that necessary step. Nobody else can do that. Divine is not gonna push you. Of course, divine is gonna push at some point. Divine does that, but in this case, divine already has pushed you out of something, some situation. You were very stubborn to let go of. That's what I feel. Divine already has intervened and pushed you out of your comfort zone or your addictions or whatever it was that you were chained to. You were pushed out of it, and now it's your time to take decisions and make it work. Take actions to get this Ace of Cups. Divine is offering you this, and you're still thinking about it. You're not sure about it. Still, you're not sure about it. I don't know. That's what I feel. Let me get romance angels for you. Aries. I know you must have been through some hard stuff in your past. Some really hard stuff. I don't know, maybe a divorce or breakup of some long-term connection. That's what I feel, Aries. Something really tough. You went through a tough situation, tough time in your life. But you're out of that now. You have come out of it now. You're gaining mental clarity of everything in your life. Not only in that situation, whatever that you were stuck in, but in every situation you're gaining mental clarity. That's good. That's really good. Actually, you're in a good place. Maybe you were stuck in your head and you thought this is never gonna end, and how am I ever gonna get out of this situation? But you're out. You're already out of that situation. For the month of July for Aries, please. Oh. Keep an open mind. Yeah, that's very much in line with this reading. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Yeah, I feel like in the past you rejected this cup of love from this person because you thought they're indifferent to you. They were not your usual type. That's why you were hesitant to take that offer from this person, and you were willing to stay stuck in whatever the situation that you were comfortable in, you're familiar with. That's what I feel. That could be the issue. That could be the thing. That's why you did not want to entertain this. That's why you did not want to take that cup. But now you're understanding that that is where you want. That is where your happiness lies. I mean, obviously your happiness lies with you, but you can be victorious in that situation. That's what you feel now. With the Six of Wands, you see that you can be victorious in that situation. Before you did not see it like that. Before maybe you didn't like it. You didn't like to entertain it, but this could be the one. You already met the romantic partner you seek. Yeah, Leo, there's a high possibility that there's Aries. There's a high possibility that this past person could be coming back. Unrequited love. There is no enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. That's what you thought in the past. With this connection, this is all with this romance angels. All I feel is that this is talking about your past love, whatever it was. This is what it's talking about. Now I know most of you don't want your past lovers back. past people back, but this is what I feel like. This person, universe is telling you to keep an open mind about this, because this could come back. What you thought about, what you thought as unrequited love, maybe it's, no, it's not. It says this could be the one. Yeah, it's not unrequited love. You saw it in that light because you were into those addictions and you were in a distorted mindset at that time. That is why you felt like it was not the right thing, because that didn't align with your past lifestyle, you know. Whatever that person was bringing in, the love that person was bringing into you, you were not familiar with that love. That's what I feel. Yeah, you were not quite familiar with that. That's why you rejected it. We'll see from... Yes, angel answers. Please give me a message for the Aries for the month of July. To my Aries for the month of July, what is the message from the angel answers? Oracle deck. Okay, that was fast. Look for a sign in the near future. Yes, exactly. At this very moment, I believe universe is guiding you with the signs. Maybe you are not a religious person, or maybe you are, but you've been seeing clear signs that you have to get out of this situation and you have to go towards this person. Maybe universe was giving you a very clear sign. Recently, maybe you got a very clear sign, or maybe perhaps constantly universe has been giving you clear signs that you should move forward with this. You should go towards this person. You should accept this love in the near future. Yeah, I see these two angels together. In the near future, you might come together with this person. But first, you have to work on yourself. It's divinely guided connection, and that's what I feel. This past connection, whatever it is, this is a divinely guided connection for you. Get more information, yeah. Get more information on this situation, Aries. If you want to know more about this person, get more information. Ask them, talk to them. That's actually, I'm getting, universe is telling you to like get to know that person. Maybe, who knows, their type. Get to know more about the situation that you are in at the moment. Get to know more about your situation, spirituality if you want. Get more information on that. Archangel, wow, counselor, Archangel Azrael. You are natural counselor, and many people benefit from your guidance and reassurance. Yeah, yeah, this says that you're a natural counselor. Maybe you have a lot of friends who are talking to you about their problems. Maybe you give guidance to your friends, you know. Yeah, universe wants you to that. Maybe that is your higher purpose, soul purpose. Maybe universe is trying to align you with your soul purpose. That's what it is. But somehow you have to work. First of all, you have to work on yourself. You are a natural counselor, and many people benefit from your guidance and reassurance. Yeah, your words must be very powerful. You must be a very respected person in the society. Maybe your friends do listen to you a lot, more than other people. Maybe you're a leader. That's what I feel. You can embrace it. You can do it better once you heal yourself. Go within and heal your shadow side. We all have shadow sides. Good side and the bad side. I mean, shadow side and the light side. What we have to do is, within this dark night of the soul period, we balance it. You don't get rid of the shadow side. You control it. That's what you do. Okay, got too many. Prosperity, Archangel Ariel. Your material needs are provided as you follow your intuition and manifest your dreams into reality. Maybe Aries, now at this moment, you might not feel like your material status is good. Maybe you feel lack inside you. But what this saying is, there is divine guidance for you. Divine is asking you to follow your path, follow your intuition, listen to your intuition, listen to your inner guidance. They are giving you signs, they are giving you what do you call that, giving you the guidance, giving you the instructions of how to do things, how to go by your life. I mean, how to heal yourself. Maybe you have inner child wounds, past life trauma. They're telling you, provide as you follow your intuition and manifest your dreams into reality. Yeah, they're gonna give you your material needs, but first you have to follow your intuition. You have to do the right thing. Victory, Angel. Yeah, your prayers have been heard and answered. Have faith. Yeah, whatever you're praying for, whatever the situation you were stuck in before, your angels heard your situation, your prayers, and they interfered and they got you out of it, I believe. Maybe you didn't think that it was the best way to solve that situation or problem, but yeah, obviously universe knows best, so that was the best way to deal with it. I think universe gave you the best answer for that situation, whatever the problem you had. If you had a problem, I think universe gave you the best answer for that. Career transition, Archangel Chamuel. Your life purpose is triggering a blessed career. Oh my god, yes, that's that's amazing. That's what I've been thinking, that's what I've been feeling. You are gonna have a major life change. You could be changing, you could be changing places, you could be changing the career. Your life is gonna change drastically, and this career change, don't be afraid of it. It's a blessing. It's a blessing that universe and the angels are guiding you towards. Life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. Yeah, because that the change, the shift you're gonna have in career is gonna be more aligned with your life purpose. We all have a life purpose in this on this earth. So your life purpose, whatever it is, maybe that be the counselor, to help people by counseling, to listen to people and give, be that help, that guidance, that light they need. But first, in order to do that, before helping any other person, you should help yourself to see that light. So that is what it's saying. Career transition, the life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. It's a blessed change. You might feel like, oh my god, I'm gonna lose everything, this is my base, this is my foundation, it's shaking my foundation. But no, I'm surprised I didn't get the Tower card here. Yeah, I think it's a beautiful thing that's happening in your life. You're resisting it, you're scared of it. Not resisting, like you're scared to move forward, but it's a beautiful thing that's coming. Trust me, Aries, this is beautiful. This change, whatever the change you're going to go through, whatever the new path you're going to go down, it's going to be a beautiful thing for you. It's going to be a total new, different experience, but better than the situation you were in before. That I can say with very confidence. We'll see the universe message. Oops, that's too much. Happiness is my birthright. My capacity to tune into the energy of love gives me the words I need when I'm ready to speak up, the compassion I need when it's time to forgive, and the power I need when I'm lost. Okay, let me get another card and talk about it. Another one more for the Aries for the month of July. I create mindful moments throughout the day, reminding myself that I am love and miracles are natural. Okay, let me talk about this. This gives a huge message for the Aries. Happiness is my birthright. Maybe you do not think as you're worthy of having that happiness you see. You see that there is this abundance, there is this happiness that you can get, you can achieve, but for some reason you don't think that you deserve it. When you have deficit of self-love, that is when these thoughts come up. When you do not love yourself enough, when you do not value yourself enough, that is when you think you don't deserve the best. You don't deserve the best things in the world. My capacity to tune into the energy of love gives me the words I need. Maybe you are finding it difficult to speak with love, when it comes to love or talking to somebody that you love. Maybe you find it difficult to talk to them because you feel like you're running out of words. When I'm ready to speak up, the compassion I need when it's time to forgive, the power I need when I'm lost. Yeah, you're supposed to forgive some situation, somebody, maybe someone from your past did you something dirty, something wrong. You need to forgive them. You need to see compassionately. Then only you can move forward in your life. Then you'll have that power to see the light in that darkness. When you feel like you're lost, then you'll have that guidance. Forgiveness is a very powerful tool that we don't see. Forgiving is very important in our life to move forward. People could do many things to us, but forgiving is one of the things that we can do to untangle, free ourselves from, free our minds from that situation. I create mindful moments throughout the day, reminding myself that I am love and miracles are natural. Yeah, miracles are natural. You are love. You have to, that the universe is asking you to believe in the unbelievable, like impossible. Believe in the impossible. Now you think that it's impossible for me to have this true love, whatever you want, this great success in career, this great success in life. I want to move forward, I want to go to this level, I want to achieve this, I want all this, but it seems like impossible at this moment because you're in that darkness yet. So when you go within and when you love yourself, only you can see that there are miracles. It's natural, but you can have whatever you want. If you put your mind to it, you can have whatever you want. This is beautiful. Actually, it started a bit off, but at the end it's beautiful. It was beautiful for the month of July. Actually, what I see is, as a gist, you have to work on yourself. You have to go within and heal yourself. I know you don't want to heal this. I know it's like, oh, I've been healing all this time. Do I still have to heal? But yeah, I think you have to heal. You have to heal some aspect of yourself because you still are not in that self-love energy. You don't have enough self-love to think that you deserve all the happiness on earth. You deserve all the good things on earth. you don't have that capacity yet, I guess, but you are about to go on that journey, because universe is guiding you. You don't have to worry about anything, because universe is obviously guiding you by with signs, by giving signs, synchronicities. You must be getting synchronicities, I don't know, numbers, letters, names, whatever. So like universe is guiding you, so you don't have to worry about anything. If you're worried that whether I'm going to take the wrong move, I'm going to take the wrong turn, no, you're not. Universe is guiding you. Universe is really helping you, because you are a valuable person and you have a soul purpose in this world, and universe is guiding you towards that. So that's all for the Aries for the month of July. Thank you so much. Bye.